All right, y'all. So the wait is finally over. We officially have the release date of the highly anticipated. Or are they really still highly anticipated?
Yep.
Anyway, Travis Scott Fragment 1 Lows, man. We have been talking about this sneaker, going live, camping out, waiting for this sneaker to drop. And finally, we got a little something different this time. I don't recall Travis Scott ever putting an actual release date on a release. But y'all could correct me if I'm wrong down in the comment section, but I don't ever remember that. But I just want to come on here real quick, talk about this drop, verify a couple of things, and also to check you guys' temperature. Are y'all still messing with this sneaker? Because sometimes Nike is bad about drawing out stuff a little too long, and then the hype and everything dies down and people start looking at the sneaker and it don't start looking that appealing anymore. It just don't look good. You feel what I'm saying? It's kind of like one of them things where like you see something over and over. It's fire when you first see it. But the more and more you see it, you see more people with it, you see more people talking about it, you kind of just be like, nah, this shoe basic. And that's where I'm at with this thing. But what do y'all think? You know what I'm saying? But hey, we're going to talk about it real quick. But before we get off into this discussion, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. We're going to roll this intro and we're going to talk about it. Let go. All right, y'all. So as you can see on the screen, we did get the official release date. Let me make sure my camera's focusing because it be tripping sometimes. We did get the official release date. It is going to be Saturday at noon PST. So in my time, Eastern Standard Time, that is going to be 3 p.m., which is a weird time to drop the sneaker. I don't ever remember them doing anything like that. But hey, it's up to them. They can do whatever they want to do. But nonetheless, first thing, let's talk about the stock numbers. Allegedly, it's going to be 40,000 pair. I don't know how accurate that is because I feel like these things get backdoored a lot. So I think this sneaker is going to be, it's probably going to be like maybe 15K on there, if that. I don't know. But allegedly, there is going to be no sneakers raffle. Like none. No Nike raffle, no Nike release, no sneakers release at all. Now, this is something, the only one I remember this happening on was the high fragments. I don't remember them dropping on the sneakers app. I could be wrong about that, but I do not remember them dropping on the sneakers app. But then, so now we got this one. It's going to be the same thing. So your only bet to get them retail, unless you know somebody, in my opinion, and what it seems like, is going to be on Travis Scott website. You feel what I'm saying? That link is going to be down in my description section as well. Again, so we have the release date, and now they bumped the price up to $200, which I was waiting on them to do this. They bumped the price up on normal retros, and some people mad at saying, oh, it's $200 for a Travis Scott now. I mean, most of them resell for double the price anyway, and we are paying $215 for OG retros or just random Jordans and all these crazy Jordan 11 colorways they're giving us that's not OG. So why not $200 for a Travis Scott, in my opinion? I don't feel like that's too much to ask for, but maybe that's just me. But y'all comment down below and let me know, do y'all think that the price hike is insane? Is it crazy? Let me know. And then of course we got to discuss the aspect with any Travis Scott. I know some of you guys hate this part of the sneaker culture, but unfortunately with hype, social media, and big names surrounding these collabs, you got to talk about it. We got to talk about the resale. Ew. Now, this is going to be a thing that I think that is depends on how it plays out. You know what I'm saying? Currently right now for my size between 11 and 12, this sneaker is anywhere between 16 to 1800 bucks. Sometimes it's been 2300 bucks. I don't get it. I don't understand. I guess it's that FOMO that we talk about, but man, this is not that type of sneaker in my personal opinion. But again, it's your money. Do what you will with it. You feel me? Just do what you want. But it's also saying on the website that you're going to get a guaranteed delivery of these things before December 23rd. You know what I'm saying? Buy before December 23rd. So what I think is going to happen is that all of the resellers that got the early pairs, that people actually trust those and stuff like that, between the time frame of after this release on Saturday and then December, you might see a price kind of like drop down a little bit, because some of those people might be like, you know what, I need to get rid of the ones that I got at the price that I can. Some people got FOMO, so they might pay that little extra money. But after all the pairs are said and done and they come in right around Christmas time, I think that is going to be the highest peak for this sneaker. I think right when Christmas time comes, this sneaker might be around 1,200 bucks, depending on the size, between 8 to 1,200 bucks on those bigger sizes. But then it should level out, bro. I don't think this is gonna do like the original Fragment. This sneaker should level out right around, man, maybe like $600 to $800 for those most marketable sizes. In my opinion, a lot of people actually like this colorway in this sneaker. To me, this is a very generic colorway. It's very basic. Leather looks really good, which I don't understand why they can't do this leather on all Jordan 1s, period. You feel what I'm saying? Why does it have to be a Travis Scott? But this is what they choose to give us, and this is how they choose to rock it. So what can we do? We're gonna buy it anyway, right? But y'all let me know down in the comment section. Are y'all still here for the hype? Or are y'all like, done? I'm done with this sneaker. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. If I hit this sneaker, it's out the door. This is gonna be trade bait for me to get some of the things that I want in my collection. Y'all can be mad about that in the comment section, but I'm just letting y'all know. If I get these things, they gone. You feel what I'm saying? I'm not keeping these things in my collection. But y'all let me know, what are y'all gonna do with these things? Do y'all love these sneakers? Do y'all hate them? Are y'all over it now? Are y'all just wanting them to do something outside of a Jordan 1 low when it comes to Travis Scott? Should they try a different silhouette? Let me know how y'all feeling. But that's all I got for y'all. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including these Travises, bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat,